This is the most craziest year ever for me. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. So I saw one challenge on TikTok and I was like, let me bring it into the Web3 space. Hi guys, it's Lamza here and this is my year review. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. I joined the Web3 space this year. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. I started video creation this year. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. I bought different courses I want to mention this year. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. I lost a lot of money while trading meme coin. Hi guys, it's Lamza here. I attended few Web3 events this year. Hi guys, my name is Lamza.
Wait a minute!
And this is the most craziest year ever for me. Hi guys, my name is Lamza and I procrastinate a lot this year. Like I was learning a lot of skill and I could not finish them. I told you guys I bought a lot of courses. Hi guys, my name is Lamza and I am grateful for this year and to everyone that have supported me. I am so much grateful. I hope next year we'll do great things together and next year will be better. A good review for 2026. Bye guys.